Hi, this is Narasimha Kumar. Welcome to Akshaya Money Management for the January series. First, let me wish you a happy and prosperous New Year 2022. Today, topic is very interesting because last 3 months, market has not given any returns. Customers started calling me and saying that my portfolio is almost a standstill or it's going down. A lot of traders start calling me and saying that we are making a lot of losses. The losses may be a FNOs or losses may be because of the short-term trading. So these are our two topics for today. Let us start. If you see a December month graph, we hardly have seen the 1% returns in the month of December. If you think, same thing, if you see in the one quarter, we had gone up to almost 62,000 Sensex. From there, we came down to 55,000 and odd. Again, graph is started moving upward direction. We are near somewhere around 59 and odd thousand Sensex. So yes, in these 3 months, your portfolio definitely will be in the either it will negative or it may be in the standstill. But should we worry about it? Our traders, should we see any other changes? If you ask me, I always stick on to the quality companies. If you stick on to the quality companies, what is going to happen? Let us see in the small story. Today, let us see the biopic of Li Ka-shing. He is a Hong Kong business magnate. So how he started as business magnate? Let us see. So at the age of 15, when his dad passed away, he need to leave the school because of this to support the family. He joined some plastic trading company and he worked overnight to get that extra OT to take care about his family. In this 5 years he worked in that company, in that 5 years, he could be able to understand what is the importance of the plastic and what is the future he starts seeing about the sector as a plastic. Then he decided at the age of 22 to start up his own manufacturing sector, because in the 5 years he could be able to get a lot of links and understanding about the industry. So at the age of 22, when he started, yes, for any startup companies, there will be a lot of difficulties. He also faced a lot of difficulties, but he overcome very fast the difficulties because he already had the experience about this industry. He taken a lot of loans and he paid the gold to start up this company. So next 8 years, he was very well known as a plastic manufacturer in Hong Kong. So he had a lot of money into that one. But he felt that I should do something more. Then he started thinking that why not I should export this plastic across the globe. Then that is a starting point. At the age of 30, he started deciding export, and he exported almost all the parts of the world. He exported his plastic. After that one, he thought I should take a piece of land to stay, and he purchased a land to construct the house. Till that time, he was not knowing the real estate market. Once he got into knowing about what is the real estate, because within 3 years of this purchase of the land, he saw the prices are almost a double. Then he started analyzing it as a sector. Real estate will be a next booming because Hong Kong is a hub for all lot of traders. So he started investing a lot of commercial properties, and he started one more company, real estate company, and he started being the successful real estate company. So these are two major companies he started, and also he spread across into various things. So in 1990s, he became the richest man in the Hong Kong. He's the number one richest man in the Hong Kong. So he's not only in the real estate, he's in the transportation, he's in the finance, real estate, energy. These all things. Why I'm saying is, whenever you are picking a stock, you should think for the long term, at least for 10 years or 5 years, a minimum you should think. You should not think about 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Today, a lot of traders, what they do it, they invest it. If they get some money, they'll exit. Again, they invest it. So this kind of a trading is like a gambling, not the investment. So if you identify some good sector which will be the next 10 years a game changer. Start investing into those sectors. Like 2 years back, how we identified the chemical industry, and chemical industry is given almost like 200%, 300% returns in our portfolio. It is given. So identify those sectors. In that sectors, you see which is the best player and stick on to that company till the end, so that you can see a lot of fruitful results in that. And yes, in 1996, one incident happened, which you ever heard about it. His son is being kidnapped. A 17 years boy has been kidnapped, and almost Hong Kong was panic, and everybody searching for him. After 2 days, kidnapper had called and he had demanded for 1 billion Hong Kong amount. So it is almost like a 1,000 crores in Indian rupees if you want to convert it. Then because of a son, any dad will contribute it. So he also given the money to kidnapper, and yes. After 1 week, the kidnapper had called. There's an interesting topic here is, after 1 week, kidnapper had called to Mr. Lee, and he was asking for a suggestion where to invest this 1 billion. So today, everybody has the money, but where to invest? That is the technique one should know it. So yes, after calling their track and he's been arrested, there's a different story. So what he always say, Mr. Lee, is do not invest like you are a gambling. So if you see this is a stock somebody had told I'll purchase, and other some SMS I got it, if I invest it again sell it. So what happens if you started doing a lot of trading, short-term trading, you may lose up money. In this pandemic, you all know that a lot of demat accounts has been opened, left and right demat accounts have been opened. Almost a 3 crores milestone we achieved it. In Economic Times, there has been an article saying that out of these traders, hardly 1% traders makes money. Remaining people lose it, or they'll be equivalent to FD returns. So that's why I'm telling you, be careful, because we does not know how markets will going to react. If somebody feels that FNOs market will go down and they invest it, maybe market may go up again, vice versa. So be careful in the trading. If you don't know about the trading, if you're losing the money, the best thing is identify the stocks and companies, and you own that company. You closely monitor that company and stick on to the companies. And we're coming to the part 2 of our video, that is stock analyzing of our last 2021. What are the stocks we recommended and how is the performance? So in Jan 2021, we recommended APL Apollo. It has given 103% returns. This is the highest returns what we got it in APL Apollo this year, last year. If Ultratech Cement we had recommended, is given almost 40% returns. And in the month of May, we recommended Tata Steel, it is given 27% returns. And in the month of July, we recommended two stocks. One is ICICI Securities and another is Angel One. Both are in the securities. So 32% returns in ICICI and Angel, we've seen around 70% returns we have seen in the stock performance. After that, in the month of July, we recommended again 2 stocks. One is Eclairs and it is Hycal. So it is given 15% and 40% respectively. It is given the returns. And in the August, we given Ambuja Cement. There's a one stock is gone negative. And in the month of September, we recommend Alcargo. It is given 71% returns from September to now within 1 quarter. So 1 quarter, people are saying you lost the money. If somebody has invested in Alcargo by seeing our channel, they might got on 70%. And coming to the November, we recommended one Share India company, which is given almost 40% returns. So this is the what if somebody has invested, they might have got very good returns and they might have beaten the index, maybe 2 folds they had beaten the index. And coming to our third phase of the video, which is the outlook of 2022. If you see from 2018 onwards, we are not gone into negative. That's the one thing. We should see whether 2022, how it will look like. So from 3% of 2018, so 12, 14, and 24% is what we are seeing in the 2021 year. So there's one more study. In the last 10 years, if you see any time market has given more than 24% returns, the next year will be either single digit or negative. So that is one more thing what we should watch. So if you ask me, it will not be a negative, but yes, we may see the single digit to a nearest double digit. We can see that is what we should keep a expectation 2022, because already we are seeing all the hikes, everything. And also we should see the liquidity crunching by the USA. So once they start increasing the repo rates, we should see how the market going to react. Yes, for up to a certain extent, market has already digested these points, but we should see how far the market is going to see the ups and downs. There will be definitely volatility in the market. So thank you once again. A happy and prosperous new year. So we'll catch up in the next month series. Thank you for watching.